Hi there and welcome to the Beatles I Wanna Hold Your Hand Play Along video. If you want to have a closer look at how to play this song, then click the link in the description to a full lesson there. But in this video we're going to play a shortened version of the song, two versions, one just the chords and two me singing along, because I love a good sing along. So let's not waste any more of your time. You can see the running order here on the screen. Here's the first version, the instrumental version. And here's the second version, the sing-along. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you something I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand. And when I touch you I feel happy inside. It's such a feeling that my love I can hide, I can hide, I can hide. Yeah, you got that something I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand.
You can click for a PDF worksheet of the chords and the full running order to the song, so you can play along to it by yourself. Happy strumming, thanks for watching.